Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. Today we are diving into PostgreSQL and focusing on crucial aspect of relational databases, the foreign key. By the end of this video, you will understand its importance and know how to add one to your tables. Foreign keys are essential for maintaining data integrity in relational databases. They ensure that relationships between tables remain consistent. Let's start by understanding the syntax. Alter table, target table, add foreign key, column name, references, source table, reference column. Let's break this down. Alter table, target table. This tells PostgreSQL which table you want to modify. Refer to as the target table. Add foreign key, column name. Here you are specifying which column in the target table you want to set as the foreign key. References, source table, reference column. This is where you define the relationship. You are telling PostgreSQL which table and column the foreign key should reference. With syntax clear, let's jump into practical example. Here we have created customers table with a primary key customer ID and a order table with a column customer ID that we will link as a foreign key. Now let's add the foreign key. We use the alter table command to modify the orders table. The add foreign key clause specifies which column we are setting as the foreign key, in this case customer ID. The references keyword then points to a primary key in the customer table that our foreign key relates to. Now if you try to add an order with a customer ID that does not exist in the customer table, PostgreSQL will stop you. This ensures data consistency. Let's give it a try. Assuming we don't have a customer with customer ID of 5, PostgreSQL throw an error. But what if you already have data in your tables and you want to add a foreign key? You will first need to ensure existing data complies with a foreign key constant. If not, PostgreSQL throw an error. To wrap up, foreign keys are vital for maintaining a relationship and ensuring data integrity in your database. They might seem complex at first, but with practice, they become fundamental tool in your SQL toolkit. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.